In this video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw money from Tonkeeper. So the first thing you have to do is to have an exchange account, in my case Binance, like here, and you have to verify this account with your identity. So the first thing you have to do is to go to deposit crypto, and here you have to select the currency that you want to withdraw from Tonkeeper. For example, make an example that you want to withdraw USDT. So you press here and then you press the dot network here, show address, and then you have to go to Tonkeeper, select the coin, like here. In my case, I don't have any money, so I will press the default that is done, and you have to press send. Excellent. So here you will have to put your address here. Then in the comment you have to put the memo like this, continue, and then select the quantity, continue, and in a few minutes you will receive your money here. Okay, so once you receive your coins to Binance and go to peer-to-peer here, press it, and then you have to press the bottom cell here and choose the currency that you have. If you don't have any of this, then you have to convert them in trade and convert and block trade, and you have to select the best option to withdraw to your bank. So if this video was useful, please subscribe, like, comment, share, and see you in another easy way video. Goodbye.